Yeah, and today I'll be showing the tutorial how to get a joystick on Pokemon Go. Sorry if I keep on skipping because I have a blocked nose. First go on the Play Store, search up Fake GPS until it loads.
Bye bye.
You go down to this one that's Chinese rating. You download that.
Bye bye.
If your device is too old for it, go on YouTube. I'll just show you how to download it. Search up what is it called? Pokemon the joystick. Go on this one, no, not that one. It's got Android Critic. Down to the website. You go down here, you'll say here, and then you press grab it here. It's just loading. I got it on the online because my device is too old. Press here, download, and then you go for GPS.
Beep, beep.
And you pick your area. I don't know what this is. Okay. So I'm gonna pick here, United States. Right here. Tap on this. On GPS service map. Joystick location mod Pokemon. It's okay. Go on to Pokemon Go. Joystick up here. Just move it down. This thing, that's the bucket in the corner. Down here. Alright. Exit. Take him off. Make sure you have location on. It's moving. That's how to get a joystick on Pokemon Go. Please drop a like and subscribe. See ya.